Hi, good morning for everyone. Last class we learned about the basic HTML tags. In the today's class we are learning about list. A list is a collection of one or more items. HTML supports effectively three types of list formatting text. List means a collection of items. One or more items we are calling as a list. If you want to, with the help of the list, if you want to design the document we can design with only for the text. List, again it is categorized, three types of list will be there. Unordered list, ordered list, definition list. The unordered list, it will display in the format of bullet. Ordered list, it will display in the format of number format. Coming to the unordered list is created using the UL tag. Unordered list we are defining with the help of UL tag. Items in the list are created using the LI list. Now if you want to design the list it can consist collection of items. Suppose if you want to use the item as a unordered list. Now we are using inside the LI we are using the UL tag for unordered list. It will display using bullets. Items itself may be separated the order or unordered list. Now, if you are using as unordered list, under the unordered list we are having collection of items will be there. Order, unorder and a list. Your understanding purpose, maybe we are going for the example. Now we are opening the notepad. Open the notepad. Now in the notepad, we are typing the program HTML, then XML namespace, HTTP namespace, www.w3c.org/1999/xhtml. Now we are writing as a head. Inside the head, title, the title bar we are giving as list example. Then closing your head. Now inside the body, now we are using list, unordered list, UL tag. Now we are under the list we are using unordered list. Now we are writing in the format comments. Now UL means unordered list. Under the unordered we are writing as a LI list. Then we are giving as web and internet technology. Closing the list. Then we are under the list, again we are writing something contained, then data science. Closing the list. Then mission, then we are giving mobile computing, closing the list. Then we are giving LI, then tag cloud computing. Just we are given the some text content, then we are closing the UL tag, then closing the body, then closing the HTML. Now we are saving the file, Control S. Now we have created the folder under the WIT example. Under that I am giving list examples. Under that we are giving ul.html. Now you save the file. This is a example for your unordered list. Now under the unordered we are writing as a collection of items. You can give the any content name. Now if you want to run, now see here this PC, actually we saved under E WIT example, under that list example UL. Then open with Chrome. Now we are getting in the font. By default it is taking in the format of bullets only. Okay. Now we are going for, this is the example you learn for the unordered list. Now coming to the type of attributes of the unordered list tag specify the bullet options. Now here under the unordered list, we are not use the type attribute. By default it is taking as a shape as a disk. Bullet shape is disk. Here under the unordered list, if you are using as a type as a disk, now under the unordered list I am using as a type as a disk. Under the unordered list, here type equals to disk. By default it is taking as a disk only. Now when you are running the program, now we are getting only for bullets. Now if you are using as a type equals to circle, the circle shape bullets are used in the format of circle. If you are using as a square, means it is representing the format of the square. The square shaped bullets are used. Now your understanding purpose we are going for, now here we are using circle. We are using as a circle, Control S. Then if you are running, we are getting in the format. See here we are getting as a cycle shape. Now if you are using as in the format of the square, now if you are using the format of square, now if you are using the format of square, Control S. Then if you are running, it is here we are getting in the format of square. This type we can use under the unordered list. Now coming to ordered list. In this type of the list, the items are displayed using the number. Under the unordered list, it is displaying the format of bullets. Here it is displaying the format of number. The list is created using the OL tag. The order list is creating with the help of OL tag, and the items are creating using with the help of LI list. If you want to create the list it can consist collection of items. Under the order list, it can consist collection of items. Now this item itself may be separated the order or unordered list. Now if you are going for the example, now same the content, see here in place of, now your understanding purpose, below that I am taking as order list. Then I am taking OL tag, then closing the OL tag, inside the OL tag I am taking as a LI. Then here I am writing as data structure. I am writing as a data structure. Closing the list, then list, then using Java. Then I am writing as web services, closing the list, then servlets, closing the list. Now actually the body tag is closing here, the body tag the body tag is closing the below only, Control S. Now the file name already I said with the help of UL. Now here an order list will be there. Now we are getting in the format of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means when you are writing the comments will not display. These are for order list. Itself only separated. The item itself may be separated by order or unordered list. Now if you are going for the numbering options, what are the type will be there under the order list? Under the order list, the type is an attribute if you are using as a 1. Means default the number type is 1, it will give 1. Then coming to if you are using as a character. Now your understanding purpose, I am using as a OL type equals to, by default it is taking as a numeric. Now we are giving as a character, uppercase character we are given. Now we are getting ABCD. Now if you are giving as a starting as a 3, it will start with the help of 3. The default number start with the 3. Now we are giving as start 3. It will not start from 1, it will start from 3. Three, 4, 5, 6. Now if you are using as a, for the order list, if you are using as a type, as a character uppercase, and if you want to start as a 4, means it will start with the help of 4th character. See here. Now we are using type, we are using as a type equals to, the type equals to, we are giving as a capital A. It will start from C. C, D, E, F. Then if you are using as a lowercase small letter a, means it will start with the help of A. Then if you are using as a, see your understanding purpose, now I am giving as a small a, it will start small c. It will start from small c. Then if you are giving as a I means it's a Roman number. If you want to start with the help of the Roman number, see here we are giving as a Roman number I. Then Control S. Then 3, 4, 5, 6 means the start it will with the help of 3. Then if you are giving as capital I, then it is the starting if you are giving as a 6 means it will start here. Means 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a usage of under the order and unordered list. Now if you are going for definition list, the definition list under the list, it is categorized as 3 types: order, unordered, and definition list. Definition list is one where the list item consists of 2 parts. It can consist of the 2 parts, term and description. It is created using the DL tag. If you want to use the definition list, we should use the DL tag. The term part and the definition part of the each item is created using the DT, definition term and the definition description tags. If you want to create the term and description, for description purpose we are using as a DT, for the term purpose we are using as a definition term. Now if you are using under the DL tag, we are using DL and DT, definition term and definition. Now see here, your understanding purpose, we are taking here we are taking definition tag. Definition tag. Definition tag. Now this definition list, under the definition list, we are taking as a now under the definition list we are taking definition list, definition term, and definition list tag. Under definition list tag we are taking as a DL tag, then closing where DL. Now inside the definition list we are taking as definition term, closing definition term, then definition DD, closing definition description, closing definition description. Now see here, if you want to write your understanding purpose DL, the outermost of the tag of the definition list, DL tag. Now see here, DL tag. Now under the DT I am writing as a DL tag. Your understanding purpose where it is describing the outermost of the tag. Outermost of the tag. Then Control S, then F5. Now how we are getting? See here. Means when you are using as a DL tag, it is the outermost tag of the definition list. If you are using as a DT, contains the item to be described. If you are using as a DT tag, content items to be described. Now contains items to be described. Content item to be described. Now this is something content we can give. Control S, then F5. Content item to be described. Then we are having the last one, DT, DD tag, then DD, contains item description. Content item description. Content item description. These are the we can use a nested tags will be there. Now inside order, unorder, we can go for the nested also. These are the three types of the tags will be there under the list. Now next coming for image tags. Image is a document can be dramatically enhance its appearance. The images is stored in a file which is specified by an XHTML request. Images is inserted into the display of the document by the browser. Now if you want to write the image format, if you want to give the extension, we are having as a 3 extension will be there. First we are learning only for 2 extension. with the help of GIF, graphics interchange format. The two most common methods of representing the images are graphic interchange format, GIF. Then one more will be there, JPG will be there, Joint Photographic Expert Group. Joint Photographic Expert Group will be there. Now if you are using the GIF format was developed by CompuServe Network service provider for the specific purpose of the moving images. It is used for 8-bit color representation of the pixels. For pixels is up to 256 different colors will be there. File containing, if you want to save the file extension, we can save with the help of GIF images. Capital GIF or small JMS extension we can use. This is a transparent. GIF images can be to appear as a transparent. Now JPG format uses 24-bit color. Then this GIF it will use 8-bit will be there. 8-bit color representation of pixel will be there, GIF. JPG we are having 24-bit color representation pixel will be there. JPG images, it includes more than 16 million different colors. Files that store JPG images use .jpg or capital JPG extension or .jpeg extension of the names. The compression algorithm used to JPG is a better at shrinking the images. This compression process actually lost some of the colors accuracy of images. If you are using as a JPG format, when at the time of with the help of the compression algorithm, it loses the colors of the image. JPG images has much more color information than GIF images of the same subject, but JPG images can be smaller than the GIF images. Because of this, JPG images are often pre-refers to the GIF images. The disadvantages of the JPG, it is not transparent. The third image that displayed about the PNG, Portable Network Graphics. In the year 1996, the free replacement of the GIF after the patent owner of the GIF. Actually, PNG provides a good replacement of the both GIF and PGE. One drawback under the PNG, the compress algorithm does not sacrifice the picture clarity. The image requires more space than compatible of the JPG images. Now, if you want to use image tag, the image tag specifies the image to appear the document. The image tag includes two different attributes will be there. SRC attribute will be there, ALT will be there, alternate attribute will be there. The SRC attribute, the value we are storing the image contain. For alternate attribute, the file contain name we are giving. For example, if you want to use image tag, now we are using image tag under our example. Now inside the, now under the DL, now we are using the image tag. Image tag. Image tag. Now image is a tag, it is an inline tag. Under that we are having the SRC. Then we are giving the value of JPG or PNG format. Then we are having the one more alternate will be there. Means founder of W3C. Now under the SRC I am giving the file. Now this PC pictures. Under the pictures, Tim Berners-Lee will be there. Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners. Control C, then we are saving under location path. pictures. Under the pictures, Tim Berners .jpg. Control C, Control C, Control V, then Control S. When you are running the program, we are getting here the alt founder of W3C. We are getting one thing. Actually, we are not getting the image, the location. This PC pictures, the file name I am giving as Tim only. This is the image file, is a founder of W3C. Now my copy, then I am going to under D, under E, then I am pasting here. Under A I am pasting tim.jpg. Control C, Control V, Control S. Then I am running the program. We are getting the image. We can give the height and width will be there. It's the optional. Height and width will be the optional will be there. Now two optional attributes of the image will be there. Width and height will be there. Width and height. If you are using width equals to 200, the width I am giving as a 200, then height I am giving as 600. Height I am giving as a 600. Now see here, the width and height it is changed. Now if you are giving as, now width and height I am giving as 1800. Height also I am giving as 1800. We are getting in this way. Okay, thank you. In tomorrow's class, we can learn the table tag.